Welcome. In front of me is a Bocoin K800, and today I will show you how to insert SIM card and SD card to the device. So you might want to start off by powering off the device, so hold the power key and select power off. Now, once the phone is shutting off, you can flip it over, and on this side, on the left side, you will find a little place where you can put your finger and pull the cover off, like so. Okay. You can place that on the side. Then you can pull the battery out. Put your finger on the bottom right here, push it up and out, and it should come off. And now you will see you have the tray right here, and the micro SIM goes in the middle because there are three trays. First one that you can see is for the normal, like the biggest size SIM card. Then on the bottom you have a place for SD card, and middle one is the micro. So I'm gonna start with the SIM or SD card, which goes right on the bottom, so kind of like right here. So you can see kind of like here. Well, not really visible for me to show. Okay, so as you can see now the card is kind of sticking out. You just want to push it all the way in, and the biggest one goes on the top right here, like so. And then you just put on the battery and like so, and turn on the device, and it will all work. Now to remove it, it's a little bit more tricky. The big one comes out fairly easily. You have a place where you can just pull it out like so, and out completely. But the two other ones, as you can see, there's no way to grab them. But you have like two tiny little metal brackets, I guess you could call it. Not sure if it's visible. Let me try to maybe get it closer up. So these basically things right here, you would kind of grab them with your nail and pull out the entire tray, so like this, and you have like this tray that comes out, and you can grab now both SIM and SD card. You can just push that back in here. So that would be how you put SIM cards and SD card in, and also how you take them out, which taking out is probably a little bit more challenging. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.